Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2023 by providing high value and also making those high value articles go viral and in that way possibly make lots of money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. Now that was fast. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Now second thing you need to do, you need to find high value articles. Now you don't have to write those articles by yourself, you simply need to find those high value articles. So here on Google, I need to search those articles. So let's say, for example, I wish to promote keto related products. So here I will simply type something like lose weight with keto diet and then press enter. And here I can find lots of articles here on Google. So for example, let me just open this first one here in new tab just to check it out to see, is this really a high quality, high value articles? Now, when I scroll here through this article, now actually I don't really like this article, it doesn't look that readable. So what I can do, I can simply close this article and simply go on the next one. Open this next one article and check it out. Now here you can see, this is actually a catchy title. Now catchy title is always good, okay? So when I scroll here, this is actually a video, and here you can actually see this article here has titles, subtitles, images, and this is actually more readable, and that is what we need. We need a valuable article that is also readable. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to copy the link to this article. And the next thing we need to do, we need to actually go on a website called exitbar.io, and here you can create a free account. So just click here on sign up. And here what you need to do, you need to click here, okay? Click here and choose free exit bar ads, okay? I mean, you can choose one of these paid plans, but I'm guessing that most of you are beginners, so you should choose, in that case, free option. Then here you just add your email, your first name, your last name, choose your country, then here you choose your password, click here to agree to the current terms of condition, click here, get started now, and that's it. You will register your account for free on exitbar.io. Now, next thing you need to do, you actually need to go to your dashboard. Simply click here on dashboard and then click here on manage links, okay? And then you need to click here on create a new link because we wish to create a new link. And here we need to paste a link to the article, to this article here that we found on Google. That is important. Paste it here and then click here, go, okay? And now here we need to give it a link name. Now this will be only visible for you, so you should know what this link is. This is only for you, so I can simply say keto link, for example, keto link, something like that, keto link 1, okay? And here you can choose, do you wish to pop up? I will leave it as a simple pop-up. You can play with this just to see what will give the best results to you. Here you can choose only this domain because we are using free plan. If you are using paid plan, you will have more domains as an option. Here, no, it doesn't contain adult content. So here, click on next step, okay? And here we need to add a heading, a headline. So for that, I can simply go here and I can simply copy headline of this article. Copy. And I will simply paste that here. Now here you need to add a short description up to 200 letters, okay? And I can actually copy this part here, okay? Control C. Now this is actually a good headline, as I said, and this is a good first line, okay? So I can simply paste that here. Now here you don't have to do anything. You can play again with these things, but you don't really need to do that. Location of the pop-up, I will leave it as a top right, but you can test these others here, okay? Here, delay, I will just say, for example, 1 second delay. That means when people click and when this website loads, after 1 second, my pop-up will show up, okay? Here, you don't need to do anything here. Pop-up effect, I will leave it as this, as it is. Like I said, you can play just to see all the other things that you can do. Here, button text, I can simply say read more, okay? Read more. You can say something like learn more and stuff like that, okay? Here you need to add a button URL. Now this is important because now we actually need to add our Digistore24 affiliate link. So I can simply go here on Digistore24 marketplace and I will search keto, press enter, and here you can see there is lots and lots of keto related products here on Digistore24 that I can actually promote. And I can simply click here on promote and I will get my Digistore24 affiliate link. So all I have to do now is just go back here on exitbar.io. I already have my link, my Digistore24 link, and I will simply, here where it says button URL, I will paste my Digistore24 affiliate link, okay? These things here, you don't really need to do anything. Like I said, you can change the colors if you want, but you don't really need to do that. Here, content animation, no, I don't want any of these. You don't really need to do anything here. And all you have to do now is actually, here you can see you have an option to add an image. Just click here and now you can upload an image. Unfortunately, I didn't prepare the image, but you should upload image and you will see in a minute why you should upload image. Okay, I will turn this off because like I said, I didn't prepare the image. And all you have to do now is just click here on next step, okay? Background effect, I will leave it as a none, okay? Effect duration, 5 seconds. Just click here on generate link and that's it. You generated your first link, okay? And this is your link here. So what you need to do next is you simply need to copy this link and you need to go, for example, on Twitter or some other social media, but I will use Twitter in this case. And all I have to do is just paste that link here. Now, you can also go here and you can copy this title here, okay, Control C, and I will actually paste that here. And when I click here, here you can see now they didn't pull the image because I don't have image. If you remember, I told you that you should upload images. In that case, then image here will be shown. That is why you should upload images. Your links will be more clickable. And all I have to do now is just click here on tweet and that's it. I will make this post. Now, next thing you need to do, you actually need to go on website like Add Me Fast. And you need to start earning free credits. And after you earn 500, 600, 1000 free credits, you need to click here on add site link and you need to choose here Twitter. So let me just find Twitter. Okay, Twitter retweets. You need to choose Twitter retweets, add your tweet ID. I already showed you how to do that. And you need to start giving people credits, free credits for retweets. And trust me, guys, after you get, let's say, for example, 1000 retweets, you will reach more than 20,000 people here on Twitter, totally free. You don't have to pay anything. It is 100% free because, like I said, here on Add Me Fast, when you click here on the left side on one of these, you can earn free credits and you can exchange those credits for Twitter retweets and you will start reaching more and more people and those people will start clicking on your link because they wish to actually read this article because this is actually a high value article. And like I said, you will reach more than 20,000 people and some of those people will actually click on this link. They will read that article and they will click on your pop-up and they will actually buy that product that you are promoting, your Digistore24 affiliate product, and you will earn an affiliate commission. This is really simple method. All you have to invest is time and work and you will start making money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.